Welcome to our Sanskrit.com. This is lesson 34. In the previous lesson, we looked at the intensive, the desiderative, and the denominative. In this lesson, lesson 34, we will look at the aorist. In lesson 28, when we considered the perfect tense, we said that in Sanskrit there are three tenses to indicate past action: the imperfect lung, the perfect lit, and the aorist lung. In classical Sanskrit, in practice, these three tenses seem to be used interchangeably for any past action. The aorist is comparatively rare in classical Sanskrit, and it is used only in the indicative and used as a past tense. No modes or participles are found to be used. In ancient Sanskrit, however, the aorist was quite common and it seemed to have had a perfect sense. One other use in classical Sanskrit is in negative commands with ma. In this case, the augment a is dropped. There are 7 varieties of aorists grouped into 3 types. These are given here. The root aorist. The root aorist conjugation. The a aorist. Conjugation of the a aorist. The reduplicating aorist. A conjugation of the reduplicating aorist. The sibilant aorists fall into 2 broad classes: those that are conjugated like the thematic imperfect and those that are conjugated as the athematic imperfect. The s aorist. A conjugation of the s aorist. The ish aorist. Conjugation of the ish aorist. The sish aorist. A conjugation of the sish aorist. The sa aorist. A conjugation of the sa aorist. In theory, the middle form of the is, ish and sa aorist are used as the aorist passive, but these are very rare in classical Sanskrit. However, there is a commonly used middle third person singular of a peculiar formation and prevailing passive meaning. This is not conjugated in any other person or number. Its formation and examples are given here. Let us now look at the precative mode. The precative is called Ashir Ling by the Sanskrit grammarians. It expresses a blessing or desire or wish. It is almost similar in meaning to the optative. It has a peculiar set of endings that are different from the endings we have seen so far. Visit oursanskrit.com lesson 34 for the endings. Let us look at the precative conjugation of bhu. This is the end of lesson 34. In this lesson, we looked at the aorist and also at the precative.